Replacing your doors may not be the first upgrade that comes to mind when thinking about energy savings, but it can have a significant impact on your home's comfort and efficiency. Older doors often allow drafts, moisture, and temperature changes that increase heating and cooling costs. For homeowners in Redmond, installing energy-efficient replacement doors offers long-term savings while improving indoor comfort and home value. How old doors drive up energy costs? Many older doors were not designed with energy efficiency in mind. Over time, gaps form around frames, weather stripping wears out, and materials lose their insulating ability. These issues allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter. In Redmond homes, where cooler temperatures and moisture are common, inefficient doors can cause heating systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Advanced insulation that reduces heat loss. Energy-efficient replacement doors are built with insulated cores that help regulate indoor temperatures. These cores act as a barrier against heat transfer, keeping warm air inside during cooler months and preventing drafts. For Redmond homeowners, improved insulation results in consistent indoor comfort and reduced energy usage throughout the year. Tight seals that stop drafts. One of the biggest contributors to energy loss is poor sealing. Energy-efficient doors feature high-quality weather stripping and precision-fit frames that eliminate gaps. In Redmond homes, tight seals prevent cold air and moisture from entering, reducing the need for constant heating adjustments. Lower heating and cooling expenses over time. By improving insulation and sealing, replacement doors reduce the workload on heating and cooling systems. This leads to lower monthly energy bills and less wear on HVAC equipment. For Redmond homeowners, these savings add up over time, helping offset the initial cost of door replacement. Increased home comfort and consistency. Energy-efficient doors help maintain stable indoor temperatures, reducing cold spots and drafts. Rooms near entryways feel more comfortable, even during colder weather. In Redmond homes, improved comfort enhances daily living and reduces reliance on additional heating sources. Reduced moisture and condensation issues. Energy-efficient doors also help manage moisture by preventing humid outdoor air from entering the home. Proper sealing reduces condensation and protects interior surfaces. For Redmond homeowners, this moisture control helps prevent mold and long-term damage. Added value and durability. Energy-efficient replacement doors are built with durable materials that resist warping and wear. Their long lifespan reduces maintenance and replacement costs. In Redmond, this durability adds long-term value and peace of mind. A smart investment for Redmond homes. Installing energy-efficient replacement doors delivers more than just immediate comfort, it provides lasting financial benefits. By lowering energy costs, improving insulation, and reducing maintenance, these doors offer long-term savings for Redmond homeowners. Investing in energy-efficient doors is a practical upgrade that pays off year after year.